contacts over there should take care to have those information to be able to get most people on these webinars before, which makes sure that in November 16th and 17th, we have really thousands and thousands of people in Delhi and in Mumbai who becomes the very first movers in India. It's one of the biggest markets in network marketing. It's a great e-commerce market. And when you see the product partners we are dealing with from the very first day, the banks we are working with, the office we are opening, you will be just impressed. It's a once in your lifetime chance. Not only you guys being connected right now from India, but all others who are smart enough or creative enough to make contacts in this beautiful area. And what I also like to show you tonight is an example of a partner program, as I told you before, having 60,000 schools. This is coming together with 3 amazing videos explaining to the parents, to the teachers, to the people who are supporting those schools, what it means to have this kind of fundraising for schools. It's really, really amazing. And you will see this website and lots of other very, very famous companies within the next few weeks. There are every week press releases coming out of from the company because it comes along with the application to enter Nasdaq. And it looks like that. If they are there, they get really by a nice lady explained what it means to become a Doobly customer for yourself and for your family, and also what it means for the school you are helping same time. And this works with all kind of charity organizations, but also with all kind of profit organizations, for example, soccer teams or sport clubs in general. Okay, I will do some music. I will open the chat for a few more weeks, for a few more minutes. If you have questions, just put them into the chat.